Hello everyone, welcome to House Arrest Cooking. Today we are going to make spicy red hot Thai curry and herb rice. To make the Thai curry, we will need coconut oil, exotic vegetables like sliced mushrooms, bell peppers, carrot, baby corn, broccoli, zucchini. Also, we are going to need paneer or tofu, a few spices, and some coriander leaves. Firstly, we are going to take the red Thai curry paste, which is readily available by Real Thai, or you can take any brand of your choice. And the most important ingredient, coconut milk. So to start with, I'm going to take a bowl, empty the red Thai curry paste, add some warm water and whisk it to smoothen the paste. See how smooth it has become now. Keep this aside. Now we are going to take a pan. On a high flame, I'm going to add some coconut oil, chopped garlic, and saute it for 1 minute. I'm now going to add the diced carrots, baby corn, yellow zucchini, green zucchini, boiled broccoli, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, sliced mushrooms, and toss all the vegetables together for a few minutes. Add black pepper powder, some salt, and mix it well. We are now going to remove it in a bowl and keep these vegetables aside. In the same pan, I'm now going to add our coconut milk, the Thai curry paste, and mix it all well and bring it to a boil. Keep stirring it while you bring it to a boil, and you'll gradually see a very beautiful red color. It has now come to a boil. We are going to add all our vegetables into this curry and mix it all well. Now let the curry simmer for a few minutes. Tear a few pieces of basil leaves, and at last you're going to add the paneer or tofu and stir it once. Add the chopped coriander leaves. Put the lid and let it simmer for 5 minutes till all the vegetables absorb the Thai curry flavor. See the aroma? It's yum. This is the consistency that we're looking at. So Thai curry is now done. Let's make the herb rice, for which I've taken some butter. I'm going to add garlic to this, mixed herbs, chopped coriander, and the boiled rice, and toss it nicely until all the herbs get mixed properly. And the rice is done. Let's start with the plating. So we are going to take a nice plain bowl in which we are going to keep this mold. Add the rice to this mold and press the rice gently with the back of a spoon so that it sets properly in place. Now slowly remove the mold. There you go. And now you can add the Thai curry to the side of the rice. And there it is. It's ready. Hope you like the recipe. If you're looking at more such recipes, please do like, share and comment on our recipes and stay tuned on our channel. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.